out back, obviously, with Savo. We are expecting snow today. It's just starting, and it's supposed to be, I don't know, 4 inches or something maybe. So I'm letting him out back one last time. It's so funny because his name is Savo. You probably don't want to watch him pee. But I've been calling him Buddy and Good Buddy. And so he also responds to that. Oh, he smells where the rabbit was. We have a small farm here. So, yeah. Savo will be 6 months in a couple of weeks. He's born July 1st. So. What you doing, good buddy?